Good day, students. Today, we want to solve a problem that involves diverging lengths. First thing to do is to write down the parameters. Find the nature and position of the image. That is, image position means image distance. Image distance V, question mark, of an object placed 6 cm. That's object distance. U 6 cm from a diverging length. Take note, diverging length of focal length, because diverging length is mentioned. Introduce negative minus 15 into the value. Now the position, let's go to length formula. That's 1 over V plus 1 over U equals 1 over F. 1 over V equals 1 over F minus 1 over U. 1 over minus 15 minus 1 over 6 equals LCM 30. 15 goes to 32 minus 2. 5 times 1, that's 5. 5, 6 goes in 30, 5 times 1, 5. Now 1 over V equals minus 7 over 30. You cross multiply. Minus 7 V equals to 30. 30 times 1 give you 30. Divided by minus 7. Divided by minus 7. Minus 7 cancel minus 7. V equals minus 4.28. You divide it centimeter. Minus 2.48 centimeter. This negative sign shows telling us that it's telling that the nature, negative sign, the negative sign connotes that the nature of the image is virtual. Note that the nature of the image is virtual, while V, the image distance is 4.28 centimeter in the same side as the object. The same side as the object. How did I know that it's in the same side as the object? If you remember the diverging lengths that we drew before, the only virtual image that we have using diverging or concave length is when it falls at the same side. The image is at the same side as the object. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.